Assalamu Alaikum. Welcome to the Nourish TV channel. The goal of our channel is to create high quality educational videos based on extensive research. The talks are offered by a range of local and international personalities and scholars to nourish your mind, body and soul. Our motivational reminders will enable you to develop all aspects of your life, such as your physical, mental, emotional and spiritual intelligence. Our focus is to inspire, motivate and encourage people to become better versions of themselves, or simply to be a better human being. Our content promotes nothing but peace, unity and love. Over the years, by the grace of the Almighty, we have had the privilege of having a positive impact on so many lives. We hope you will continue to enjoy our content. Don't forget to subscribe, and by pressing the bell next to the subscribe button, you will receive updates and notifications. Thank you.